Welcome to our AI-powered sales intelligence platform walkthrough. It improves sales automation and overall intelligence so you can make informed business decisions. Sales leaders face many challenges, such as lack of accurate revenue predictions, late discovery of stockouts or overstock situations, fragmented views of representative performance, delayed issue flagging, underutilized capacity, model drifting, excessive time spent generating reports, and regional discrepancies going undetected for weeks. To solve these challenges, we have developed an all-in-one solution for sales leaders. Our solution comes with many benefits such as every key metric, from revenue to representative quota, available in one dashboard. 92.4% forecast precision with automatic model recalibration. Real-time stock alerts before stockouts impact revenue. Individual and team-level quota tracking with skill gap analysis. Capacity, throughput, and efficiency metrics updated in real time. On top of this, we have a Gen AI bot that acts as an assistant, helping solve queries in real time through natural language prompts. Let's get started with the platform demo. First of all, we have dashboards with a sales overview. Here you can see total revenue, customer lifetime value, forecasting insights, customer satisfaction, lead scores, representative performance, and other important parameters. It also shows monthly sales trends, forecasts, and revenue by product charts to give a unified view of performance. In addition, there are other important sales-related parameters, along with an alerts and notifications tab where sales leaders can focus and take action immediately with the action option available right there. Now, let's move to sales forecasting. With AI-powered sales predictions and scenario analysis, reports can be scheduled easily. With filters for products, regions, and timelines, forecasts can be updated so leaders can make informed decisions. It shows forecast analysis, scenario planning, trend analysis, and model performance in a single view. Now let's move to the inventory management feature. This feature provides sales leaders with real-time stock tracking in a single window. It includes everything from SKUs and stock trends to inventory health and demand forecasts, along with turnover rate, warehouse utilization, product lead time, supplier performance, and stock value. Leaders can check stock availability categorized as normal, low, critical, or overstocked. It also provides filtering options for warehouses and status. Now let's move to the new feature, Warehouse Analytics. At the top, users can apply filters to select the warehouse and the time duration they want to analyze. Users can export reports or check a real-time view for that particular warehouse. Within the overview, there are multiple tabs where leaders can analyze overall warehouse capacity, check inventory levels, and monitor operational status. Now let's check regional analytics. This provides territory-based insights with parameters such as average growth and active customers. Users can deep dive further using filters for region, product, and time frame. In addition, it includes charts for regional performance, product analysis, territory management, and market-level insights for deeper analysis. Now let's move to the next feature of our AI-powered tool, representative performance tracking. This feature evaluates the individual performance of sales representatives and ranks them based on targets achieved. It shows how much each representative has achieved and ranks them accordingly. It also provides detailed quota achievement charts and team skill analysis. Additionally, it includes several other performance parameters to evaluate representatives based on revenue generated, targets achieved, and their overall contribution in their respective territories. Now, let's move to reports. There are multiple templates available, allowing users to choose the type of report they need and generated instantly. Users can select the date range and the document format, whether they want the report in PowerPoint, Excel, CSV, or PDF. It also provides options to include Gen AI-powered charts and visualizations within reports, along with easy sharing options for collaboration. Users can also view recently generated reports, scheduled reports, and analyze report history within this tab. On top of all this, we have a Gen AI assistant. It can be used to extract quick answers from all the sales data across the organization. Using natural language prompts, users can get instant answers to any sales-related query and make data-driven decisions. Want to know more about our AI-based sales intelligence platform? Contact our experts now. Reach out to us at marketing@bizmetric.com, follow us on YouTube at @bizmetricofficial, and visit our website www.bizmetric.com. Thank you so much.